Today, we have an exciting reveal that combines cutting-edge smart eyewear with high-fashion aesthetics. The latest collaboration between RayBan Meta and Coperni is making waves in the world of wearable technology. The RayBan Meta X Coperni limited edition smart glasses are here, and they bring a fresh new perspective to how we merge fashion and technology. If you're someone who appreciates premium style combined with innovative features, this release is bound to capture your interest. A game-changing collaboration. If you've been following Meta's journey into smart eyewear, you might recall their previous limited edition drops that seamlessly blended technology with style. Now Coperni, the renowned luxury fashion house, has stepped into the world of smart glasses for the first time. The result? A stunningly modern take on the classic Wayfarer design, reimagined with an exclusive black-gray translucent frame that elevates its aesthetic appeal. The glasses feature gray mirrored lenses, adding an extra layer of sophistication and exclusivity. But what truly makes them stand out is the bold Coperni logo imprinted on the arm, making it clear that this is no ordinary eyewear. This is a statement piece. A new level of smart wearables? You might be wondering, do these high-end glasses introduce any groundbreaking new technology? Surprisingly, they retain the same advanced features as the regular RayBan Meta smart glasses. Despite the premium price tag of $549, the enhancements are mostly design-centric rather than technological. However, that doesn't mean they lack impressive features. Here's what you'll still enjoy. AI-powered assistants to help with your day-to-day queries. Voice-controlled music playback on Spotify and Amazon Music. Shazam integration to identify songs on the go. Real-time translation between English, Spanish, French, and Italian, exclusively available in the US and Canada for early access users. Live AI support, making your smart glasses feel more like a futuristic personal assistant. Why the higher price tag? Some might argue that without new hardware upgrades, a $549 price tag seems steep. But here's the deal, this is not just about technology, it's about exclusivity and fashion. With only 3,600 pairs available, these limited edition glasses cater to collectors, luxury fashion enthusiasts, and tech lovers who appreciate rare, stylish accessories. Owning a pair means being part of an elite group that values both innovation and exclusivity. These glasses represent more than just functionality. They symbolize a cultural shift towards wearable tech becoming a staple in high fashion. If you're someone who enjoys standing out and embracing futuristic trends, these glasses might just be the ultimate accessory for you. When and where to buy? Mark your calendars and set your alarms. The RayBan Meta X Coperni smart glasses will be available for purchase starting Monday at 1 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 9 a.m. Central European Time. You can grab them from Meta, RayBan, and Coperni's official online stores. Given the limited stock, these glasses are expected to sell out quickly. If you're serious about getting a pair, it's best to be ready the moment they go on sale. Final thoughts. In an era where fashion and technology are merging more than ever, the RayBan Meta X Coperni collaboration brings something truly special. Whether you're into luxury accessories, cutting-edge wearable technology, or just love collecting limited edition items, this release is definitely worth considering. The combination of sleek aesthetics, smart functionalities, and exclusivity makes these glasses a standout innovation in both the fashion and tech industries. What do you think? Are you excited to see more fashion brands stepping into the world of smart wearables? Would you buy a pair of these limited edition glasses? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned to technology in the future for more updates on the latest innovations shaping our world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.